Hello dear students, my name is Lucky Ahuja and I'm your EVS teacher. So students, we were learning chapter 4, let's clean together. We have already completed 2 parts of this chapter and today we are starting part 3 of the chapter, and this part is named as cleanliness must be a habit, not a show off. So let's see what is there in this part. Let's start. Ganga's brother and Bhabhi went on a trip to Chandigarh, and when they returned, they showed her the photographs of their visit. So we have seen this in our previous part that Ganga's brother and Bhabhi who came to the village to meet the family members, and Ganga's Bhabhi asked for a toilet and there was no toilet at their home, and then Ganga's grandfather asked other members for the construction of a toilet in their home. Now we are watching that Ganga's Bhaiya and Bhabhi, they went to a trip to Chandigarh, and when they returned, when they came back after the trip, they showed her the photographs of their visit, and Ganga noticed that all the places were very clean. What Ganga noticed through the photograph? She noticed that all the places in Chandigarh city were very clean, and this is to be remembered, students, that Chandigarh is actually a very clean city of our कंट्री. तो बच्चों यहाँ हम देख रहे हैं कि गंगा के भैया भाभी जो कि घूमने गए चंडीगढ़, जब वापस आए तो उन्होंने गंगा को बहुत सारी उनकी फ़ोटो दिखाई, और उन सब फ़ोटो में गंगा क्या देखती है कि ये जो चंडीगढ़ शहर है इसकी सभी जगह बहुत ही साफ़ सुथरी थी. नाउ मूव अहेड. शी थॉट that our homes are comparatively smaller and are not so clean. Her brother's friend, whose house her brother and Bhabhi had visited, was planning to come to Ganga's village for some days. So after looking at those pictures where the places were very clean, Ganga started thinking that our homes are comparatively small and are not so clean. So in those pictures, what she actually saw, she saw that there were very large and multi-storied buildings and very large kind of places, and the home of that person, the friend of brother where they went, was also very large and clean. So what Ganga thought? She thought that our houses are comparatively small and they are not so clean, and her brother's friend whose house those people visited, he was about to come to Ganga's village for a visit. तो बच्चों यहाँ हम देख रहे हैं कि उन सब पिक्चर्स को देखने के बाद गंगा सोचने लगी कि हमारे घर तो बहुत छोटे हैं और इतने साफ़ सुथरे भी नहीं हैं. साथ ही उसे ये पता चला कि उसके भैया भाभी जिस दोस्त के यहाँ ठहरे थे चंडीगढ़ में, उनके वो दोस्त आ रहे हैं उनके गांव में घूमने के लिए, कुछ दिन ठहरने के लिए. सो लेट्स सी व्हाट गंगा डिड आफ्टर दैट. शी थॉट दैट दे वुड not feel good about the surroundings when they come to her home. So Ganga started thinking that those people, that friend of Bhaiya, will not feel good about the surrounding when they will come to their home. She had a conversation with her Bhabhi regarding this matter. So finally Ganga started a conversation with her Bhabhi regarding this matter, as she was feeling that the people who are coming from Chandigarh will not like the surroundings of their village. As she was a sensible woman, she explained Ganga that whether our house is small or big, it does not matter at all. So Ganga's Bhabhi, who was a sensible woman, when she listened to Ganga's queries, she just told Ganga that whether our homes are small or big, it doesn't matter at all. We should keep our places clean in a proper manner. The most important thing is to maintain cleanliness. Moreover, this should not be done to impress someone. Instead, it must be a part of our habit. So what happened here? You can see that the most important thing is to maintain cleanliness. Ganga's Bhabhi told her, and she also told that moreover this should not be done to impress anyone. Instead it must be a part of our habit. तो बच्चों यहाँ आप देख रहे हो कि गंगा की भाभी बहुत समझदार हैं और उन्होंने गंगा को बताया कि किसी का घर बड़ा या छोटे होने से कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता, हमें हमारे घर में साफ़ सफाई रखनी चाहिए, बिल्कुल अच्छे से हमें सफाई रखनी चाहिए। और ये जो सफाई करने की आदत है ये हमें एक आदत के रूप में ही होनी चाहिए, सिर्फ किसी को दिखाने के लिए कि कोई आ रहा है जब घर पर तब आप सफाई कर रहे हैं और वैसे आपका घर बिल्कुल गंदा है, ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं होना चाहिए। सो एक्चुअली शी टोल्ड गंगा दैट क्लीनलीनेस मस्ट बी आवर हैबिट, इट शुड नॉट बी जस्ट अ काइंड ऑफ शो ऑफ। Cleanliness must be a part of our habit. What is your opinion regarding this? So there are few questions. You just have to provide your opinion regarding this. You just have to think about these questions. What do you think about these things? That is the question. So first thing is, how should we behave with the persons doing cleaning work? So there are many persons in your family, your mother or father or elder sister or aunt or anyone who is doing the cleaning work, or there are few people in our locality who are engaged in cleaning work. So how should we behave with them? So what do you think, dear students? Should we behave with them in a proper, in a good manner? We should be proud of those people, or we should show a kind of hatred towards them because they are doing all that cleaning works and all? So I hope that all of you must be thinking that no, we should be proud on them, we should be having a good behavior with them. Those person who are doing these cleaning work are actually helping us a lot. There is a second question: what type of image will our country have if our villages or cities are not clean? So students, you have to think about this situation, that if our villages and cities are not at all clean, then what type of village will our country have at international level? If it will be good image or it will be a bad image. Definitely you can think about this thing, that it will not generate a good image if our villages and cities are not clean. It will create a negative or a bad image of our country. Then the third thing is, if our houses are not clean, how will it affect our lives? So if our houses are not clean, they are always dirty, there are a lot of heaps of trashes everywhere and everything is in dirt and all, so whether it will affect our lives or not? Yes, it will affect our lives. You need to remember this thing, that cleanliness is actually necessary for maintaining our physical health also. If the places where you are living are not clean, then you may get infected with various kind of diseases also. So dear students, this was all for today's class, and we will be meeting now with next part of this chapter. Till then, thank you for watching.